Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you how to remove the save and play option in Terabox by disabling a few settings. Make sure you have installed the correct Terabox app, this one right here, with 1024 GB cloud storage. Now open the app. If you are using the free version like me, you might have to watch an ad before getting the dashboard. So here is the dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, we are going to turn off the features that trigger save and play. Tap your profile icon right here, then click here on auto backup here. Now just unclick both automatic photo backup and automatic video backup. That's it. Your save and play feature is now disabled. Your files won't be synced automatically. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.